Hey guys, it Smokes here. Second attempt to make this video. The first video, I just got a bug in the camera. It won't let me film. I crushed it, but got all the lenses messed up and I just had to do it again. Smoking some McBaron mixture, Scottish blend. I bought it because I went to the store. They had it. I looked it up in tobaccoreviews.com. It said it had more than 36 leaves of tobacco. Has some Virginia, Burley, Black Cavendish in it. To be honest, I'm not experienced enough to tell the difference yet, or to compare it with other tobaccos. But I have noticed it leaves a beautiful white ash in the bowl. Which seems not to be ideal for building a cake. I get this licorice taste. It's good. Sorry if in my first video, my intro, I didn't tell you my name. It is Eduardo, as Edward. Just thought I'd show you one of my favorite pipes. It's a second-hand pipe. With a beautiful grain. I grabbed it at a flea market not far from here. I don't know, for me it's the perfect shape, the perfect weight. The walls are thick enough to warm your hand but not to burn it. I got it for like €7, but I don't know, I just fell in love with it. I only own 5 pipes, but this is my favorite so far. I like to use big lighters. I don't know, I just find them much more reliable than my Zippo. I always forget to put the fluid thing in the Zippo, so. And also I wanted to get this special Zippo, you know, the pipe style one with the hole in it. I can't find it anywhere. I've seen it once, but it was super expensive, like €80, so I didn't buy it. And in Mexico it's hard to get that kind of specialized things. Got me wondering, what if I take my Zippo and just drill a hole in it, you know, to make it look like the pipe special Zippo? I don't know if any of you guys have done that. Please let me know. Will it work? Don't want to ruin my Zippo. Just a thought. There was some pretty heavy raining last night, all night long. So the rivers filled up to the top. It grew like 1 meter. Just watching the sunset. Here by the riverbank. Well guys, thank you for watching this, and